Hi and welcome to ShopoWorld. So you've been on the ShopoWorld website, you like what you see, you'd now like to sell using the platform yourself. It's never been easier to set up your own account and it's very simple to do. There's two different ways of setting up an account. And if we hover over Sell with Us, you can see that you can register as a seller or you can register as an affiliate. An affiliate will mean that you just get a code that you can promote wherever you promote your own services under your email address. When you send an email, your signature, you can promote it on social media. And basically, whenever that code is picked up and someone clicks back to the website, you will get a commission for anyone that signs up for a paid account. Registering as a seller will mean that you can add your own products, you can set up your own shop, and you can tap into the benefits and all the extra things that you can get when working with ShopoWorld and becoming a partner. To find out more about what partnerships are available, you can go to the drop-down menus here and read through the business opportunities and the partnerships. Simply to set up an account, click on Sell with Us, Register Seller Account. So you're taken to a sign-up screen where you need to add in your details. Obviously, you'd put your own details in here. Your email address, your telephone number, find the country that you're in. And the shop name that you would like to have. This is your URL that comes up here. So whatever you type in here will be your shop address. You can check the availability. And that's telling us that it's available. Whatever you decide to have as your shop name, you will be here. Then you need to choose a password. Further down, as we scroll down, you'll see the different plans available. These are what's advertised in the partnership and the business information. So partner free means that it's completely free and you can start off free of charge straight away. You can set up an account. You can have all the benefits of a simple free account. And as you move through the business and you want to see more benefits, you can move up through the different partnerships. But for now, we're set up as a free. You can see that it costs nothing and you don't need a credit card. Create my account. And there we go, your account has been created. If you follow the link in your email address that you typed in, there'll be a link to take you to your back office where you'll be able to see everything that you can use to create your website. You can follow the tutorials on our YouTube channel to find out how to customize your website and make it unique to your business. Thank you.